Hey guys, it's Hardik. Hope you all are doing well. Wish you a happy new year from the entire Radness team. This video we are showing you 4 amazing tech tricks in 4 minutes. But before we start, there's a huge announcement at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get started. If you use fingerprint scanner to unlock your device, chances are your friend or roommate may easily get access to your phone while you're unconscious or sleeping. So before going to bed or other activities where you would be unconscious, restart your phone in order to disable fingerprint for first login as startup. This will prevent identity theft and or snooping. Do you browse internet often incognito? Then no need to head towards browser's option every time to go incognito mode. Simply download Google Chrome, go to its properties, therein target and type exactly what you are seeing on screen right now. That's it. Now every time you open your browser, it will open in incognito mode. Each and every one of us have come across to that one friend who is always trying to get into your privacy. Thus, while showing people pictures on your phone, zoom in a little bit so they can't swipe to other pictures. If you only want to use messaging part of Facebook on your computer, go to messenger.com, thus saving time, not binge watching video. I hope you all like this trick. If you did, please leave a like. And now coming to the giveaway, we are giving away JBL Go 2 speakers. Now to enter this giveaway, links in the description. Open this link, follow all the instructions to enter this giveaway. We'll be announcing winner on Instagram at @RadnessTech, so make sure you follow that page. Also follow us on Twitter and Facebook, links in the description. Until the next video, take care.